دستورنا القرآن وديننا الإسلام أركانه الجليلة دعائم الفضيلة الإيمان والصوم والصلاة وحج والزكاة
Our lesson about the conversation. Our lesson is about the conversation.
Subscribe channelka saar subscribe notification-kana furo siday kuu soo gaaraan fiidiyowyadii
Do you listen to the VOA? I listen to the VOA and BBC. Do you listen ma dhegeysataa to the VOA idaacadda VOA? Ku jawaabay I listen waan dhegeystaa to the VOA waan dhegeystaa and BBC waan dhegeystaa. Do you listen to the VOA ma VOA dhegeysataa I listen waan dhegeystaa to the VOA and BBC iyo BBC. Waxaa loo soo gaabsaday xagga hoose waan ka qornay Voice of America iyo British Broadcast Corporation. This is a good. Keep listening, please. This is a good. That's a good. That's fiican. Keep listening. Ilaali dhegeysiyoga, please. Fadlan. Keep listening. Ilaali fadlan. Listening dhegeysiyoga, please. Fadlan. Why did English become an international language? Because British colonized many countries. Why did English become an international language luqada caalamiya? Because maxaa yeelay British colony gumaystaha Ingiriiska ayaa colonized gumaystay many countries wadamo fara badan. Because maxaa yeelay British colony gumaystaha Ingiriiska colonized gumaystay many countries wadamo fara badan. Why did English become international language? Because British colony colonized many countries. Have a nice evening. Likewise, have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Feed wanaagsan qaado. Likewise, sidoo kale have a nice evening. Feed wanaagsan qaado. Have a nice evening. Likewise, have a nice evening. This is the end of our lesson today.